stuff behind your ears, man. I know. Tell me about it.
So this is actually her first bath. Literally.
I know. It's been a rough day.
I'm recording it.
Here. All right, let's wash your hair, huh? Oh my goodness. You don't like that idea.
Oh, look, oh, we've never gotten this one with the others, Kayla.
Hair wash too.
Oh my goodness, that's so cute. They're actually putting me under a faucet. How cute. That is like really smart, actually.
Alright, baby, you got a lot of stuff on you. Get all this. That look good?
Pieces of hair. There's the face. Oh, cute. How weird how they like that.
Just relax.
I know. I guess because it's nice and warm and soothing.
She's got a lot of stuff in her hair, though. Yeah, you do. So, you've got all kinds of stuff in here.